Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video I'll share how I got my first freelancing project without having to apply on freelancer.com or Upwork or fivefiver.com. So there are so many freelancing websites, and I didn't actually go and make a bid on those websites, and I got the project from nowhere. I wasn't expecting it, but yeah, I got it. So I will tell you how exactly I got it, and what I have been doing from past, right from the day when I joined college. So yeah, I would like to share that, and because of that only I got this project. So maybe if you can bring that thing in your practice, maybe you will get some good opportunities in your career maybe. So yeah, that's exactly what I will discuss in this video. But as always, before moving further, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family, and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And also if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. And if you have anything specific, or if you have some doubt, or if you want to share something, you can always go in the comment section and you can post your comment there. So with that being said, let's start the discussion. So the thing is, one of my friend's friend actually contacted me, and he wanted help in his code, and he was struggling with some plotting techniques like box plot and all. So he wanted my help, and I helped him, and I wasn't expecting him to pay me, but then he was like, no, you have given your time and you have helped me, so you deserve it. And he paid me 1,000 rupees. So actually he sent me the data and his notebook, and I plotted the data. It took me around 1 hour approximately. So based on that, he paid me 1,000 rupees. Yeah, it might sound like it's nothing, but yeah, because it was good for me, because I wasn't expecting anything, but yet I got. So now you will feel like yeah, you are a lucky guy. But that's not the case. Actually, even I was thinking like, yeah, maybe by luck I got this. And I was discussing this with one of my friend, and she told me, no, it's not like you have got this by luck. You have been actually helping people from a very long time. When I was in my college, I used to help my friends with their projects, and they know that I'm good with my work. Whatever I do, I do it properly. At least I try to do it properly to the best of my knowledge. So based on that, they know that I am skilled with these things, and I have actually explained some of the concepts to my friends, and they actually learned from that, and they actually felt like I explained them in a very good and easy way. So that's why one of my friend's friend contacted me, because he got to know about me from her, and he was like, okay, fine, I'll contact him. So she gave my WhatsApp number to him, and he contacted me, and then he was like, can you help me? So I was like, okay, fine, I'll help you. What is the problem statement and all? I tried to understand the data, and then I plotted it, and whatever was the observation or something, I just gave him that. And he was like, yeah, it was really helpful. I was struggling with it. I was facing many difficulties, and I was trying to do it from a very long time, but it was not happening, and you helped me a lot. So based on that, he paid me 1,000 rupees. So what I would suggest you is, if you know something, it can be very basic, like simply plotting some data, or if you know something specific about your field, try to discuss it with your friends, and if they need some help, you can always help them. Maybe you will get a word of mouth, and maybe from that you will get some opportunity. So this is one of the best ways to increase your network, and it will definitely help you in future. And also always share with your friends or colleagues what you know, because if they don't know what you know, how will they approach you? And when I was in my office, when I was at my work, I used to tell people, I used to actually ask them what you are working on, and when they used to tell me, I'm writing this Java code, I'm writing this Python code, so I used to try to understand what exactly they want to do with that particular code, and I used to tell them, try this, try that, maybe it will help, maybe it will optimize your code. So things like that. So they got to know about me, like I know Java, I knew Python and SQL and all those things. So they got to know about me, and whenever they had some queries, they used to come to me and they were like, can you please tell me how to build the logic for this or something like that. They were experienced people. It's not like they didn't know things, but they were trained in some other technology, and they had experience in some other technologies, so they were new to Java and Python. So that's why they used to reach out to me. And yeah, that is the thing. And when I was in college, I used to I'm a very curious type of person, so I always wanted to see what other people are doing. And when I used to see their work, and I also have a habit of giving feedbacks. I just don't simply go to their application or their project and see it, okay, it's looking good, or no, it's not looking good, and just leave it there. I try to tell them what they can improve, or what exactly they have done in a very perfect way. So I try to give feedback, and based on my feedback, sometimes they feel good, and sometimes some people don't like feedback, so that's their opinion or their nature. But from my side, I try to give my opinions or my feedback, and some people who likes my opinion, they actually they just get a notion that, okay, I know this thing, and maybe in future when they try to develop something or they want to work on something, they sometimes reach out to me and they were like, would you like to give your opinion on this, or would you like to help me in this? So I was always ready to help people. So just because of that, I got this. Because if I was like, I am an introvert person. I don't like interacting with many people, but when it comes to projects or some technology or something which I am very interested in, I don't pull myself back. I try to reach out to people. I try to talk to them, and I try to understand what they are doing and all those things. So because of that, people get to know me, and people think like, yes, he is very interested, and he or she, the person who is in front, they get that notion that yeah, he is interested in this. So maybe in future when I want to add some new feature, I can always reach out to him. So maybe because of that, I got this opportunity. So yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to discuss in this video. And I would also suggest you to always interact with people, always try to give feedback. If you like it, it's fine. If you don't like it, don't just say that, oh, it's a very bad application. Just tell them you can improve these things. Maybe that way they will like it. So you can do that, and who knows, maybe they will contact you and they want to partner with you, and maybe you will get opportunity to work on something building from the ground, and that can be the best opportunity. So yeah, that is what I want to discuss in this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and always keep learning, and please subscribe to the channel. I try to make such videos for you guys, and always remember, we learn every day. So keep learning, and in the field of technology, we have to be updated with the technologies. So yeah, be updated and keep interacting with people. Subscribe, share, like, and comment, all those good things. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.